Today we're going to be going over a tax breakdown for the UK average salary of £37,430 per year. This also equates to £18 per hour. So starting with tax, every day we're going to be paying £18.55 in tax, and over the year that comes to £4,822. Now, as we're on our normal tax code of 1257L, which just means that we have our standard nil rate band of £12,570, the rest is going to be taxed at 20%. Moving on to national insurance, this will come to a total of £1,928 for the year. This again takes use of your nil rate band, and then above that we're paying 12% on our earnings up to £50,000. Now that we're above minimum wage and we're in the UK average wage at £37,000 a year, we will be paying student loans. So if you have taken them out. So this will come to £3 a day or £840 a year. It's worth noting as we move on that this is actually reduced by the amount that you put into your pension if it's on a salary sacrifice scheme. So if you want to lower the amount that you pay, although it doesn't mean that you will then have less to pay in the future, you can look at adding more to your pension. So on a plan 2 student loan, which is what most people will be on, you're going to be paying 9% of your income over £27,295. If you also have a postgraduate loan, there will be a 6% charge too. Onto the more positive side, with a 2% contribution from yourself on a salary sacrifice basis, every day you'll be adding £2.88 to your pension, and over the year that will come to £748.60. On this, we're going to get tax relief as it goes into our pension. And so if you were, for example, not to put into your pension, but to take it as pay instead, you would have only received £599.88 over the year. So we're about £150 better off by putting this money into our pension. The reason why I've chosen 2% is because this is normally what employers require you to contribute in order for them to match it or offer whatever they have on their own schemes. Ultimately, coming home to the take home, every day we'll be taking home £112.11, and over the year that will come to £29,090. So, are there any more salaries that you'd like me to break down? Please let me know in the comments below.